Hello and welcome back to this uneventful post-election day of trading. So much for the Super Bowl of trading, at least that's what we were looking for. There's still time with the Fed releasing its statement around 2:15 today to see the markets move more than a few points. With the results of the elections largely priced in, it's really no big surprise that they've barely moved. So the trade for right now is still no trade at all, but there are a couple of opportunities. Take Freeport McMoRan, symbol FCX, for all the new viewers. The stock is down $2 today, which is putting a bid in the puts by a little bit. You can sell the November 85.75 put spreads in FCX for 50 cents today. There are only 17 days until expiration, and that would be a better than 10% move to the downside, a decline for more than $10 in order to get you into trouble in this trade. Theta, that's the time decay of options as they get closer to expiration, is starting to really work in your favor. There may be more of a trade after 2:15, so be sure to check out the Twitter stream to see if we have anything new for you. If we see big moves in the market, we'll have something to say, just not sure what the trade is until we have one. Next week, we'll start to take off those put spreads that have moved all the way down to 6 cents or under. Western Digital, WDC, has done just that. We've waited for a couple of months for the stock to trade north of the 28 strike puts we were short, and we certainly have that now with the stock above 32. We're looking forward to being able to cash in the chips on that name. Cree seems to be holding the $50 level nicely, and Salesforce.com is holding 110 like a champ. It's actually been hanging around closer to 115 than 110, so Theta will eat up the rest of the premium there, so we can take off the short put spreads next week or the week of expiration and cash in the chips. These two names have been big for us for months now. It's really nice to see so many days recently where the markets don't move a ton. Consolidation, especially of a big move like we got yesterday in the S&P and NASDAQ, are necessary for the markets to keep going up. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow.